What is up? Today we are here in Kuta Beach. We drove from our accommodation from Jimbaran. 15 minutes drive with the scooter. That was crazy. So much traffic. Now we are here. And you get my first impressions of Kuta Beach. A lot of surfers here, a lot of pop-up shops, drinks, coconuts, snacks, everything what you need for a hot day at the beach. Bicycles. The first thing which I recognize is the surfboard prices are double the price here than in Canggu, where I've been the first week. Kids surfing, very nice. Everyone tries to sell you stuff, but yeah, since I took the camera out, people are not talking to me anymore. I don't have much information except that here's a hotspot for tourists and shops and malls and stuff, and that here's very shitty traffic. Yeah, surfers here also have here a lot, like I mentioned, but yeah, much more info I don't have. You can book your surfing experience with someone filming. Why not? Some holiday memories, some surfing adventure memories. Pretty good idea. Hot today. 30 degrees, burning sun, but yeah, it's midday also. 12 o'clock, so thank you, mate. That is pretty cool. We have a skate park over here. Nice. Pretty good skate park here. I like the trees here at the beach. Not just pine trees, also normal trees. Pretty charming. Cool atmosphere over here, although a lot of people are hustling here and asking you to buy something or to sit somewhere. Still, charming place, Kuta Beach. A lot of hotels and malls here in the promenade. This is not a proper price list, and I don't know. Change clothes, 3,000. Okay. Very, very touristic over here. Thank you. Smells good over here. We have a room here, which smells not too bad. I guess also soon we should pick some food. You want the mice? Huh? How much is the mice? 20. Thank you. 20, yeah, normal price. It's not cheap, it's a normal price. Coldest drink in Bali available here. Yeah, they have all very cool quotes here in the beach. This beach is never ending, I think. Thank you. So many pine trees over here. Thank you. Yeah, Kangaroo Beach Bar. Yeah, we're not very far from Australia, and this is the holiday hotspot for Australians over here in Bali, and seems like a lot of them are in Kuta. checked out enough the beach area for now. We're gonna come back later and we go now inside the city a bit and see what's going on over there. Away from the beach. Windier here and shadow here. More fresh. Genian fake shop. Fixed prices. That's what you need. Alright, we decided to treat ourselves a bit with Western food. We are here in Dot's Burger. They have a pretty cheap, nice offer. We're gonna check that one out. Stay tuned. Conor McGregor. Alright, over here we have the menu and the burgers. Let's put some ketchup and try it out. Not too bad. There is chili. Always taking chili and then regretting it later, but that's the way in Asian countries. Tastes like fries. Este, my new favorite drink. Not too bad. The onion rings. Very good. Alright. See you on the street. Seems like we discovered the party area of Kuta. Always action in Bali. You cannot escape. That's it. Ah, that seems like the party district over here. Oh, we are searching for a mall. I think we went a bit too far. Now the traffic in Kuta is the same as in Canggu. Insane. Well, yeah, somehow all the people have to come from A to B, and it's pretty narrow and small over here. A lot of Australian merchandise. Yeah, the Jimbaran area was a bit more with the Russian touch. Nusa Dua also. And this all Kuta is Australian vibes. Canggu was pretty international, I would say. Ubud also more international. Hot, hot. Ah, that's the t-shirt you need. Where is the mall? Here you can rent surfboards. 100? 100? Yeah, welcome to a mall in Bali. It's an open air mall, like a village market. Not the place to be, but yeah, interesting to check out for sure. Pretty big, I think. The fun deck. There you have the ocean. Pretty big fish over here. Okay, I found this kite here and I repaired it. And now the wind stopped when I wanted to start filming and show you how cool it is. And I have no rope, so that's all I have. As local as it gets. Whoa, 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 whoa. I was talking before to some kids who wanted to help me to launch this kite. Until they recognize they don't understand me, I don't understand them. And then they left wordless. It's pretty fun actually. Now I know why they are doing this. I managed to organize some rope from the guys, from the boys over there. Yeah, let's see if we're able to launch this properly. Okay, okay. I built a special kite, I would say. Go! Come on! You want to try? Shy. Hey. I think it's too broken. It's not working anymore. Speak English?
Kebalik.
Broken.
Kebalik. Sayangnya aku nih anjir. Ini.
Seems like these guys are better than me. But this is also not the best tools. It's not the best kites on the beach, I would say. But it's pretty cool to connect with the locals and have some fun with them.
Free one.
Huh?
Free.
No, man. Thank you.
Free.
Just exchanged the kite, my shitty one, against this better one with a better, longer rope. If this is not a deal, then I don't know. Very, very polite locals, very nice kids. Okay, that was my 5 seconds of fame. Crashed into the water and it's done, I guess. I would say that looks like game over, guys. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Me connecting with the locals, walking around here at Kuta Beach. I'm gonna put my stuff together and head back home. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumb up if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to leave me a comment. See you in the next one.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that